25-year-old woman pursuing her studies at an Agra college was found murdered a few kilometers away from the hospital where she worked on Wednesday evening. On Tuesday, her family had filed a kidnapping report against unknown people and has now named another doctor as the accused.
उनके परिजनों द्वारा ये बताया गया कि उनके साथ पढ़े हुए लड़के जो आजकल जालौन मेडिकल कॉलेज में मेडिकल ऑफिसर हैं, उनके द्वारा बार बार फ़ोन करना, परेशान करना और धमकी भी दी जाती रही है। जालौन पुलिस से टाई अप करते हुए आरोपी डॉक्टर को हिरासत में ले लिया गया है और उनसे पूछताछ चल रही है। डेड बॉडी की पंचायतनामा और पोस्टमार्टम की कार्रवाई कराई जा रही है। डेड बॉडी पर जो उनके शरीर पर सर में और गर्दन के आसपास चोट थी, कुछ और भी स्ट्रगल के निशान थे जिसको रिकॉर्ड कर लिया गया है। जो आरोपी डॉक्टर हैं, जालौन पुलिस की मदद से उसे हिरासत में लिया गया है। उसके जो पास गाड़ी है जो सीसीटीवी फुटेज में दिखाई दे रही हैं, उनको भी बरामद करने के प्रयास किए जा रहे हैं।
All right, let's go across to Alok for more. And Alok, more crimes against women. Tell us about this Agra case. It does seem to be, at least the family feels it's a case of stalking and a tragic end, with the woman being killed.
Well, yes, Raji, that is what the police chief was saying, that this accused doctor, the other doctor, used to stalk her, call her, threaten her. Of course, it's up to the cops to also prove what they are saying. But again, a heinous crime against a woman in Uttar Pradesh, and the body found in a very bad shape, and we obviously can't show it. But again, a 25-year-old murdered here in Agra. The earlier Bhadoi story that we were speaking about, that's also very, very shocking. There are reports that the upper part of the body of the woman is very badly burnt, and the police is accepting it. They're saying that they need the postmortem report to determine what substance was used. So I think the larger story, Gachi, is that, I've spent the last 10 days waking up every day and reporting on a case like this. Now, it's a huge state. Policing is a challenge and crimes do happen. But at the same time, the alarming regularity with which these shocking crimes are happening is really something that, one doesn't remember covering a spate of crime like this for some time now. Almost every day. It started with that Hapur case, if you remember, on the 6th of August, if the date is correct, where a 6-year-old girl was raped and she's in hospital needing multiple surgeries just to survive. And then there was that incident in Lakhimpur Kheri, where a 13-year-old was raped and murdered, and the parents said that her eyes were gouged out, her tongue was cut. The cops denied that angle, but they said that yes, she was raped, she was murdered, people arrested there. And then many other, countless other cases, that we keep on seeing every day. And, you end up reporting half of it doesn't get reported too prominently. But the thing is that, perhaps that more needs to be done, or the government needs to pay more attention to all of this. In a coincidence, the assembly session of the UP Assembly is starting today. It's a 3-day session, and the opposition says that they are going to ensure that they raise the issue of law and order in the state, or the crumbling state of law and order in Uttar Pradesh, in that assembly session. If not today, which is a day of condolence, then perhaps tomorrow. But that also starting, so the political attacks on the government will also be sharpened in the next few days.